Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm not adorable. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make tomato paste at home. So you will need very ripe tomatoes, and if you want your tomato paste to be very reddish, you can add either bawa or tatashe, just as you have seen on the screen right now. So I'm going to be using that just to make my tomato paste to be more reddish. Already we have very ripe tomatoes. So after washing the tomatoes, we are going to slice them into tiny pieces. Then we are going to remove seeds from the tatashe, just as you are seeing it now. Going to remove seeds from the tatashe, and then we are going to proceed by boiling them. So we put them inside the pots. We are going to steam it. We are going to steam it until we discover that everything is softened. Then the water you extract from it, you can use it to cook or you discard it. You can decide on what to do with the liquid you drain from it. So this is the liquid I was able to drain from this one. So allow it to cool before we proceed into the next step. Now we are going to proceed into blending. We're going to blend it till it's very smooth. Then we are going to put it in a airtight container. If you have a freezer, if your electricity is very constant and you have a good freezer, you can preserve it in your freezer without looking for any airtight container. Just put in your normal container or your ziploc bag, then you put in the freezer. So in seasons when we have plenty tomatoes in the market, we can do this and keep them in our freezer, in as much we have good electricity source to power our freezer. So when it's time, when the season for scarcity of tomato comes, then we'll bring it out and use. By doing that, we are saving some cost. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.